some breaking news coming in. We've been bringing you news all morning that the Election Commission was sitting on the decision whether or not to postpone the Punjab elections. And now that has happened. Instead of 14th of February, now the elections in Punjab will be held. The third phase of that will be held on the 20th of February. Ghazali is on the phone line with us. Ghazali, this was a joint sort of request that had gone in from the BJP, it had gone from the Congress party as well, and also from the BSP, and EC seems to have taken note of that. How big is this Jayanti in Punjab?
See, this has got a lot of followers in Punjab, and it is across the state. It is not just concentrated in one region. And SC population in Punjab is highest across the states or in the entire country. 32% of population in Punjab is from SC community. Chief Minister, and for the first time, it was the BSP which had given representation or appealed the Election Commission a couple of weeks ago that the dates should be postponed or should be moved ahead a couple of days, because the devotees or the followers of Guru Ravidas ji will be traveling from Punjab to Banaras, and it will be like they will be spending at least 2 days for the to and fro movement of the from Punjab to Bihar. Now later, the Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi, he gave a representation to the EC, and then everybody joined in, like the Amrinder Singh's party, Punjab Lok Congress, the BJP, and finally the dates have been moved ahead. So this is somewhere all the political parties were also keeping an eye on the vote bank as usual, because the followers of that Guru Ravidas ji are already blocking highway in Jalandhar today. So it was really, since the BJP also gave a letter to the Election Commission, so it appeared so that maybe the Election Commission will consider the dates and push it forward or postpone the date of voting, and that is exactly what has been decided.
Sunil Prabhu is also with us on the phone line. Sunil, so just for context for our viewers, the Guru Ravidas ji Jayanti is observed on the 16th of Feb. Elections were to be held, the third phase, on the 14th. Now that has been postponed, and it will now take place on the 20th of Feb. But a lot has been talked about the political sort of story behind this entire date change as well.
Well, that's right, Sonal. In fact, what we are witnessing is a very rare instance of the Election Commission postponing the dates, and this is, of course, after most political parties requesting for a date change. There have been earlier occasions when political parties have asked and the Election Commission hasn't agreed, but in this case, this time round, because there's bipartisan support from all political parties, keeping in mind the Dalit votes in mind, in particular, everybody saying that there needs to be a change of date, and that's the reason why the Election Commission agreeing to it. But this also brings into question the role of the Election Commission, Sonal. The constitutional authority usually gets this always correct. They don't make these mistakes. Every factor needs to be taken into account. How did they miss this out? How has Sushil Chandra and the other two election commissioners not taken note of this when they were preparing the results, when they were preparing the dates? Because these are usually written in stone. There has been clearly an occasion, and as I said, this is very rare that the Election Commission does it, keeping in view various factors. This time round, they have missed this, and a constitutional body like the Election Commission, which has to be a free and fair umpire, how did it get it wrong this time round is something that is clearly a miss, and hopefully they will make course correction for future elections that take place, because you can't get these dates wrong. These are factored in because there are also paramilitary forces that have to be shifted from one state to the other for various phases of elections that had been conducted, for example in Uttar Pradesh, and so that movement will also get affected. But nevertheless, better late than never. Finally, with the bipartisan request of most political parties, I think there'll be no grumbling about it, but it definitely puts into question the Election Commission and its roles.